In this video lecture, we will see the problems based on Wien's displacement law, Stefan's Boltzmann's law and Planck's law. A small black body has a total emissive power of 4.5 kilowatt per meter square. Determine its surface temperature and wavelength of emission maximum. In which range of spectrum does this wavelength fall? Here a black surface is given. Black surface means it will, this is the black surface, it will absorb the entire radiation fall on it. That is absorptivity alpha equal to 1, since it will absorb all the radiations fall on it. At the same time, it will emit the entire radiations absorbed by it. So the emissivity is also equal to 1. For a black surface, absorptivity equal to 1 and emissivity equal to 1. Since it absorb and emit the entire radiations fall on it and absorbed by it. Now a black surface is used to compare the emissivity and absorptivity of the real surfaces. For example, a real surface with absorptivity alpha equal to 0.5 at a particular temperature T Kelvin is given. Its meaning is at the same temperature the absorptivity of the real surface is 0.5 times as that of the black surface. Similarly, the emissivity is also. Let the emissivity of the real surface is 0.75 at a temperature T Kelvin. It indicates that the emissivity of the real surface at this temperature is 0.75 times as that of the black surface at the same temperature. So this is the purpose of defining a black surface or a black body. Now in this problem, it is given that the emissive power of a black surface is 4.5 kilowatt per meter square. Emissive power means of a black surface means, or any surface means, it is the amount of radiations emitted through unit area in 1 second at a particular temperature. Or emissive power means the rate of emission per unit area, or you can say it is the radiant flux. Flux means unit area. Unit time means the rate of emission, or you simply say emissive power means it is the radiant flux, amount of radiation emitted through unit area in unit time. It is given that EB equal to 4.5 kilowatt per meter square. EB means emissive power of the black surface. It is given 4.5 into 10 to the power of 3 watt per meter square. If this is the emissive power, the question is, what is the temperature associated with this particular emissive power? Please note that we will define emissive power only at particular different temperatures. So emissive power of the black surface at a particular temperature is given by Stefan-Boltzmann's law. Now the value of the Stefan-Boltzmann constant is available in the data book. EB is given. Sigma is known from the data book. What is the value of T? So it works out to be 530.77 Kelvin. Next part of the problem is, what is the wavelength associated with the maximum emissive power? You look at this curve. This is the emissive power and this is the wavelength. Consider a surface at a temperature of 530 Kelvin. If we have a surface at a temperature of 530 Kelvin with wavelength say lambda equal to lambda 1, we have the emissive power this much. Calculate the emissive power at this point. Similarly, for different wavelength, we can calculate we can take the emissive power from this chart. It is clear that at a particular wavelength lambda, the emissive power is maximum. We have to calculate what is the verb length associated with the maximum emissive power. This is the maximum emissive power. We have to calculate what is the verb length associated with that. So that verb length or the verb length associated with the maximum emissive power is denoted by lambda max. The Wien's displacement law states that lambda max into T equal to 2898 micrometer Kelvin at a particular temperature, whatever may be the temperature. So here the temperature is 530.77 Kelvin. Lambda max into T equal to 2898 micrometer Kelvin. Temperature is not. We have to calculate the lambda max. So lambda max, you substitute in this equation, you will get the value of the lambda max. So you please substitute in this expression and get the value of lambda max.